everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. Today's vlog is gonna be super special because today I'm gonna get myself a new phone, an iPhone 13. I've been contemplating to get it or not to get it from a very long time, but today is the day I finally said, you know what, I've been waiting for a very long time, and if I need it I should probably get it. I've been an Android user for all my life. I've never used an iPhone in the first place, and the reason why I want to get it is, first, the camera quality, obviously. Second, I have an iMac, so syncing the footages from my phone and just getting the footages from my phone will be much easier. Android to iMac is a little difficult job. Also, it's an iPhone. I've never owned it, so it's definitely going to be a learning curve for me. I've never used it. I've used an iMac, but never a phone version of an iOS, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm very excited. I'll obviously talk about and do an unboxing video with you guys. So even I'm excited to see the phone. Let's go. I'm all ready, as you can clearly see. I'm waiting for my husband to get ready. Once he's ready, we can actually leave to get the phone. And I didn't do a lot of makeup because just मुझे जाके phone लेके आना है and वापस घर ही आना है. So I just did a little bit of this and that, and yeah, waiting. How are you feeling?
iPhone तू ले लीजिए, मुझे क्या बनाना? मेरे मजे.
But I'm very excited as well.
Yes, मुझे मेरा फोन मिल जाएगा. लेके आके रखा है तुमने? कब दोपहर को लाया क्या?
Pink display पे रहेंगे ना? ये कौन सा है?
12 white ऐसे ही आता है.
White, हाँ, कलर तो similar ही रहेगा ना? White की pink.
पिंक यार, पिंक अच्छा है. छोड़ व्हाइट हो, उसमें डार्क लगेंगे व्हाइट के.
नहीं, हाँ, similar ही size रहेगा ना?
Nice. ये 12 Pro है ये.
हाँ.
12 Pro थोड़ा बड़ा है क्या? नहीं,
Same.
सेम ही साइज है ना.
Size ये है.
मीठा खाओ, मीठा खाओ. iPhone 13.
iPhone 13 की मिठाई, please have it.
I am back, and here it is, the one that I've been waiting for so long. Finally have it, my first iPhone 13. This is 256 GB by the way, and yeah, I'm very eager to open and have a look at it. So let's get started. Let's unbox this. It's looking so pretty. I have seen videos, इसका unboxing and all of that stuff, and I knew it's gonna look pretty, but in person it's such a pretty pink color. I was definitely a little bit confused whether I should go with white, the starlight white, or this pink color, or Sierra blue color. I was really confused, but my heart was stuck over here. And I bought it, and I'm so happy with my decision. It's looking so pretty. This is such a beautiful strawberry crush, like strawberry milkshake kind of a pink. You know what I'm saying? So pretty. I love it. bought any accessories for it. I do not have the scratch guard, nor do I have the charger for it. I do have iMac, so I can charge it for the time being, but I'm gonna order it today ASAP. And the reason why I didn't get it prior is because I was contemplating whether I want to get it, not get it. What if I order it, like pre-order it before I get the phone, and then I ended up canceling it? That's the reason I didn't want to order it before. Now that I have the phone in hand, I'm gonna place an order today itself. And for the scratch guard, the place where I got it from, he told me that he's gonna give it to me complimentary. I would have opened it over there only and he would have applied it, but मुझे ये video shoot करनी थी, मुझे unboxing करना था properly. That's the reason I don't have the scratch guard for it. He said just come tomorrow, I'll get it done for you. So I'll probably shoot tomorrow and show you guys the scratch guard thing as well. Yeah, this is how it's looking. I'm very happy with the looks of it. I haven't started the phone yet, so let's do that. फोन तो मैंने स्टार्ट कर दिया, बट आई डू नॉट हैव वाईफाई ओवर हियर, या फिर मेरा मैक या फिर पीसी कुछ भी नहीं है मेरे पास टू सिंक इट अप एंड टू गो अहेड. सो आई एम काइंड ऑफ स्टक ओवर हियर. It's okay, I'm gonna go home and get everything started. And yeah, look wise, it's looking so pretty and I absolutely love this pink color. I don't know, light की वजह से probably white लग रहा है, but it's a very pretty, beautiful pink color. And the reason why I went for iPhone 13 and not Pro or Pro Max is purely because I took this phone for camera. And मैंने बहुत सारे कैमरा comparisons किए, and according to what I want and my needs के हिसाब से iPhone 13 was fitting the stuff, as well as मेरे budget के हिसाब से भी iPhone 13 was doing I think it was doing it. The last phone I had 128 GB, which was definitely not sufficient for me, so I upgraded it to 256 GB. Of course there is 516 1 TB तक भी है, but बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. And the reason why I got it is I want to vlog in this camera. It has a nice wide view, and obviously the camera, like, do I have to say more about the camera of an iPhone? That's the main reason why I got it, to vlog in this phone and to shoot content in this phone. And I think it's gonna serve me really good. And thank you so much for supporting my channel and being there for me and rooting for me, because I don't think this would have been possible without you guys. So yeah, thank you so much. And of course I feel इतना बड़ा purchase, like 80-90,000 का purchase मैंने बहुत साल बाद किया. I think 2018 में I got my scooty. That was a big expense. And उसके बाद after 2 to 3 years, 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22, after 4 freaking years, I've spent a good chunk of my money on something expensive like this. I'm gonna use it more, and probably future vlogs में मैं इसका अगर कुछ कॉन मुझे मिले तो मैं दिखाऊंगी. Pro Max बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा था, which I didn't like. And camera, again, camera comparison में मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ difference लगा नहीं. So I went for iPhone 13. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. I genuinely wanted to take you guys along with me in this journey. This is such a big day for me, such a big stuff that I bought for myself, and I am not trying to brag or something. ये मेरे लिए भी बहुत ही बड़ी बात है to get an iPhone 13. Spending so much money for myself मेरे लिए भी बहुत बड़ी बात है. So I just wanted to take you guys along with me and be a part of my happiness through this channel. So yeah, that's the reason I thought I should vlog it. And आप लोगों में से भी बहुत लोगों को iPhone 13 लेना होगा. And in case you want a pink color, you have seen the unboxing, you know now how it looks. And मैंने भी बहुत सारे videos देखे थे, by the way. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. I am very happy, as you can clearly see from my face, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.